Hello, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Early Twins again. Sorry not to record the live today, but quite a few issues in the camera today. Don't know what is going on, but see what I can do, guys. Alright, he's live at the moment. What's the time? Oh, my clock is not talking either. Oh, my watch is gone. Well, just pick up the mobile phone. Coming in a second. Right, guys, I'm back again. Bird is 1:40. Liberation from Sleaford. Liberation from Sleaford. 7 o'clock. 1:40. I think the birds be there soon. I just need a bird here. I put another. I left that two birds here because he's coming injured last week from Lesby. He's coming spot work or one birds of prey. I have my other birds in another section. Just check the clock, make sure everything is alright. Yeah. A little bit in a rush today, but I managed to organize everything. I just try set up my. I don't know what I put my. I think I left the phone here. I'm so behind today. Very tired. Anyway, it's a lot happened yesterday. I rushed to take the birds, everything, because the bird flew. Not chance to send them my club, not clubs in my area. I need going outside my area to take my birds, and because I'm outside the bird flu. As it's just 5, I think. Just 5 is outside the bird flu. And the problem is be a little bit rushed yesterday, but get there then. Get there then. Okay, just set up my phone. Try set up quickly my benzene clock, and I put nothing yet. Just make sure not coming a bird. Typical, sometimes you like things and birds coming, but hope not. Can set up that quickly. Try doing things quickly. Sometimes not working. Right. Finally everything is set. Now waiting for the birds coming. Hope so it's not be long until the birds coming. I need to use the phone for the clock now. Anytime I check. Okay. 1:44. Wow. Firstly, thank you so much for the people in the market yesterday to support us to bring the birds there. And thank you so much for Chris Mali bring the baskets. I appreciate that. I feel sorry for what happened, but I'm not talk that the moment. Feel sorry what happened, but that is another thing. It's not very nice happen that situation. But anyway, I feel sorry for the guys in my club, on the other clubs, and my area is not allowed to send today and probably the next few weeks because bloody bird flu just coming close to the area. For the first time, I never remember since I fly in that clubs, you have bird flu close to us clubs first time. And it just happened after bloody 3 racings going on, after the young bird season start, what is not great really. I feel sorry for all the lads in my club and in my fed. It's not allowed to send today. I know idea how many birds is going, but I know from Stowmarket station where I basket is going over 30, more than 300 birds. I'll have a look. I think I have here the total. I think I have here, just try looking the sky and looking the phone at the same time, but I think I have here text from someone who told me, basically, how many birds? No, 294, sorry. 294 birds going. What I have here.
These pigeons will be getting on their way now. Maybe James not interested as he Ipswich not racing. Maybe not too bothered. And they've been away, but now Franco.
Just a text for my mic. Next to market. Said for I keep my eyes open because the bird is not far away. I keep my eyes open, but I don't see nothing. Thank you, Ryan. Good lad he is. Yeah, I meet quite a few people. I know meet for a few years. Miss Curtis as well there, and quite a few lads. He's very happy to see that people again. People just see me in a channel, but most of the people, oh, I know you from the channel, blah blah blah. Ellie Twings, and he's nice, you know. I I enjoy really meet quite a few people I know see for a long time. It's been nice. See all that old faces there again. And it's just shame really what happened about the bird flu, but there's nothing can do really. I'm the lucky one. I'm outside, but feel sorry for all the rest of the lads. Really, it's not very nice. Specific. Third, today's today's for racing young birds, racing number 4, and it's not very nice. And see how long the bloody bird flu is still. going on really, because problem isn't messed up the season from a lot of people. But there's a pigeon going there. He's going up the north, and he's not have pink and wings. He definitely is not mine. He's going in the wrong direction. He's coming from south. He's going to north. All right, I said 2 hours today. I'm not sure I'm wrong, but because the southwest wind, 1 hour 49. The problem before 2 hours, probably. Good chance that happened. But see what happened. Hope so is good returns again. I dropped one last week. His report dead, 25 miles away from the loft. It's the only one I'm missing. After that very hard day. But today the weather is a little bit different. Little bit cloud, but it's not rain. The sun is coming out now again for the second time this morning. Sun is fighting against the clouds. I not put my sunglasses today because not sunshine at all, but I still see the birds. Lot of crows here fly around. Last week I not see a bird in the sky, but today I see quite a few birds in the sky, which is a good sign. I like to see birds in the sky on a racing day. Come on, boys and girls, come on, babies. You can do that. You're not far away, boys. Come on. Yeah, that unfortunately is not going today, because one is crushed behind the wing and another one is lost quite a few feathers off the tail. Just have 2 or 3 feathers left. And I have the other ones in the basket. The ones I know sent in the baskets and other loft. I don't like too many birds in the aviary because it start bang in the front and scare the birds coming. I have that experience last year. I left 10 or 12 birds here, and since the birds is coming, the other one start bang in the bloody front, and the birds is scared to trap and going in. But I don't have that trap last year. That is new trap I have. I have different trap. Unfortunately, I have a good trap this year. See what happened today. 3 rustings, bad traps. But the more bad one is 2 weeks ago. Last week is not trapped too bad, really, but still lost a little bit time, but not too bad. Compared to the first 2 weeks, it's bad, really. Let's see the boys trap better today, and it's not coming too late, because just for the ball. I'm a member of 2 clubs, but the club I fly the moment, just me send really. I don't want anyone outside the riding. But another club, I think is 3 members sent. I don't remember now. I think it's 3 people is sent to another club. Yeah. But that site is just me really today. I have another guy is flying a coach not far from me, but him is sent Norfolk. He sent to the guys up the north. And well, it's a little bit more difficult for the birds broke pull out to the batch today. Hope so. Someone is pulling out going in the drag again. Because last week all is on the drag, and I have 1 bird coming in a line. All is coming from bloody south. No 1 bird coming from there, from the north. All is from south, back to the loft. You know, because my loft is faced to north. And I need a. Oh, look on. Come on, here he come. I think 15 or 17 in a drop. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, boys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I think it's about 15 in the drop. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at that. It's not coming down. Come on. Come on, come on. Another two. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I'm not sure how many in the drop. I think it's about 12 or 15. I never looked at the clock, no. It's coming quite a few, it's not much. Coming straight in a line today. Straight in a line. 10. 10 in the drop. It's coming about 15. It's about 15, I'm counting, but 5 is not mine. 10 in the drop. That is good. Very good. Ah, seriously. I know, bring the dropper because his bird's there, but probably I'm not going in a loft and scared, but I like to use the dropper really too. I don't know what he is, he maybe is eating. Yeah, he's eating, he's a pig. Come on. One is here, just need another one. My clock. 53. Oh, I don't know, another one is going. Definitely that one's coming straight from the north. You definitely can take the line. That one is the one is pull out and the drag. Looks like the rest is going in the drag now. Let's take a little open coming always like that. If not pull out, that's it. You don't have chance. I just stay in front here now. I don't like to be there, I like to be there, but if someone is coming, I try going that way. Come on, boys. Come on. Well done. Well done, well done. Come on, boys. It's coming 7 minutes fast. Do what I expect. I expect 2 hours and then 1 hour 53. Now is a big gap. Because looks like the other one is going in the drag. Come on, boys. I don't like that gaps. I don't. I like to see the birds coming close, but definitely that one's coming straight in the line. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, boy. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, boy. Come on, come on in. Come on, come on. They come. Another one. Come on, come on. I know it's the drop anymore because I don't like going in the loft. And I need a few more droppers really. I need 3 or 4. I have enough birds already. It's just counting 4 really for the fed. And not mine to the rest, no. Hey, coming another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming another 5 there from the north. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Coming well. Come on, boys. 5, more 5. Straight in a line. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7. Another 2 that way. Come on. Another 7. Coming very well today. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, boys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I think he's one check, it's not mine. He's a grizzle there. Oh, hello. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Going on a bloody roof that once. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, boy. Come on in. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Why not coming the rest? Come on, come on. Because that grizzle is fly around. That is not mine, that 2. 3 is not mine. Christ alive. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I need to be there really. The birds don't like to see me that way. Yeah, it's a grizzle and checkerpied here. 3 is not mine. I'm happy that today coming much better today. It's not windy too here. Come on, come on, look at that too. Oh, okay now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Look at that trap. Straight in a trap. Come on, come on. Come on, boy. Come on in. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. It's the one I need. Come on. You need going in. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I have the 2 I need. I was just waiting for him. He's a little bit behind today. Hello, Mai. How are you doing over there? Nothing. I have 20. Yeah, I have 10 and a drop. 53 minutes past. Oh, Lord. I have a lot of strains here. Coming 15, coming a batch of 15 from the north. 10 is mine. 10 is mine. Another one is fly around. And after that, I have another drop of 4. 7 together, but 3 is not mine. And I have another drop of 7 together. And now it's coming another 5 together just a few seconds ago. Yeah. Yeah, last week. It's too much wind hood, you remember? Not enough, too much wind hood, that's what he said. Greenland, it's take a piece. But last week is north wind, and north wind I don't have chance here. You know, but yeah, I have 18 o'clock, 20 o'clock, sorry, 20 now. We're coming from the north, Mai. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. I just talked to the camera and because I recorded, I'm not live. I have a problem in the camera this morning. The camera is not. Come on, another one, 21. Come on, another end there, blue end. Yeah, I have 21 now, and I talk to the camera, but I try going live. Chris is not sending. You know what happened? Yeah, bloody hell, cannot believe. Yeah, Chris is told me, can you going live for I see your birds coming, but the problem is I have a problem with the camera. I use the big camera today, and the camera is upside down. I know there and the setting something is not right. I need later on to have a go and twice set up because I know it's the big camera before first time. I use the little one because I have a big one. The one I use today. Yeah. Oh, oh God, Jesus Christ, crazy. Oh my Lord, seriously, just what I need. Sorry about that, man. Obviously, it's in Cornwall. Yeah. Jesus. Ah, bloody hell. Yeah. So yeah. Oh man, no, no wind here. Not above. It's completely. I don't know my all my birds the moment coming from the north. I don't see one bird coming to the south. Whereas last week all coming back to the loft from Ipswich or from Clattenburn. Yeah. It's first time you send. Yeah, he is. Ah, yeah. But he's not coming too bad. But hope so he's coming. Oh man, you sent 20. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus Christ alive. Oh Lord. You don't need that really. You have enough already. You know. Let's see what happened. Yeah, the clock is 1 o'clock. Yeah, plenty of time. Very early. Yeah, yeah. What I doing? I give you a call later if you're going there because I not chance to going there today because I need going to pick up two mattresses and I'm not sure. Roy is in hospital with his missus. I don't know what and the clocks. I tell you the clock. Hey, look at that! My grizzle. That is coming from Ipswich. Look, I is going over. One of my grizzles coming now. 22. That is coming from Ipswich. Yeah, if I have nothing in, not mine yet, but if I have something, I'll let you know. It's coming. That one is coming from Ipswich. It's going over. That is going mixed with the Clatten ones, probably, or Clatten or Store Market or whatever. Yeah, but I know spec. I clock 1 hour 53, 10 together. I spec 2 hours. Really? Come on, boy. Yeah, but that is what happened. Yeah. Come on. Oh, maybe someone is coming together. Is yours? Probably. In the first patch. Oh, hello. He's crushed that one. Oh, he's done his wing. Oh, seriously, wind lock. I'll speak to you a little bit, Mike. Give you a call. All the best. Thank you, Mike. Cheers. Bye. Come on. Yeah, just in the phone on my mics. He's never pigeon yet. I have 22. Yeah, 22 I have. Christ alive, what is going on? Well, he sent first time. Ah, feel sorry for him, really. Oh, that is not very good news. Bless you. It's a nice lad, really, and he sent 20 young birds first time. I just on the phone, like you see, with him, he's not have nothing yet. And he said his birds are going together in my one and same basket, my ones. I have quite a few here, it's not mine, but I'm not sure push some of his birds here, but probably, I don't know. But first time, you know, first time always is nightmare because birds is follow than others. My ones is have 4 rustings today. That is 4 rusting is have a little bit more experience obviously. But that pigeon, no, that last pigeon is coming. He's done the wing. I need to rate his wing. One is coming from Ipswich, that way, coming from south. First pigeon. First pigeon coming the wrong way. All the rest coming alright, in a line. But the birds is run around, look. Nothing really. He's already is going mad. Look at that. He's just coming to the rustling. And behave like that is good sign. Sign is fit and healthy. Oh, the pied is there. I not realized the pied is there. That pied always coming late. And today is coming alright. First time is coming. Because normally I in the trainings coming late. I not send you last week. I send you this week and there you go. I think he's learned the license really. He's not coming in the first drop, but I think he's coming after that. He'll be in the first 15 probably, that point. Hey, come now the 4. Come on, come on, come on. Straight to the north. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. And all 4 is mine. Come on, all 4 is mine. Come on, come on. 26, no. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, boys. Bloody 3. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, hello. It's going in the roof, you see, now coming in the trap. Come on. Coming in. Come on, come on. Coming in. Come on, come on. Coming in. Come on. Come on. Still another 3 in the roof. Unbelievable. Come on. Come on, boys. Coming in. Here comes another 3 now. Oh, hello. That is first time I send you. You see, yeah? Done well. First time I send you. Come on. Hey, coming to the... I don't make sense. The last one, the one before that 4, coming from south. That 4 coming in a line. Little bit behind, probably, in a second group or third group. Just check the clock. Yeah. 26 because I have a pigeon I send. Microchip is not in the system. I don't know, I messed up. Sent quite a few new birds this week and hey, look at that too. Bloody hell. Come on, come on. It's maybe a mile high. Come on, come on. 28. Come on, come on. Nearly all home. That's good. Come on. Come on, come on. He's playing the sky. Look at that. Bloody hell. The first 3 is coming very high. Come on, come on. It's 2 ends. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, girls. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I try to push myself a little bit. Come on, come on. Never coming in the trap. I don't know why. Bloody buggers. Come on. Come on, Lolly. Come on. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. It's lost a few seconds, but I'm not bothered really. Happy to see the birds coming like that. That is the main thing. It's 2 sisters, really. Number 15, number 16. 2 sisters coming together. I'm not very... Come on. Oh, that is very nervous. Come on. Come on. I'm not going close to the trap. I remember one day is always doing that. Come on. Come on. Look at her. She's very nervous and scared all the time. She's going now. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. All right. I have 7 birds to come. Not too bad. Don't know what time. Oh, it's not 9:15 yet. That grizzle, that red there, is coming in a first drop, and is one of my known birds. I know Paul is brother, and his brother coming in the same drop with him. Typical. I told you last week, but last week different rustling. The birds coming a little bit behind. That one is my known bird, but the another one I pull is first pigeon the week before, but it's coming a little bit behind. But one the pigeon is in the first drop, or it's good really. Is that one here? Just roll about now. Is the one is coming. I expect you coming in the first drop, but I'll be alright. You cannot win everything. I'm very happy to the returns today. Well done to the Rust controller, Mr. James Boy. Just taxi you. He's taxing me back. Just for letting you know how the rusting is going. Well done, James. Again, mate. Good job. He's coming. What is that? It's wood pigeon. Yeah, wood pigeon coming here. Hello, guy. Going in the tree. Yeah. Well done, James. Good job again, mate. You're doing a brilliant job this year. He just started Rust controller and he's done a very good job all season. I'm very happy. Be nice to support the Rust controllers, you know. Not criticize the time we have a bad rustings because it's nothing to do to the Rust controllers, you know. A lot of things can happen in a rusting day. Sometimes your pigeon is not healthy or the food, feeding properly. And things happen. It's coming another one over there. He's not mine. He's going over north that way, yeah. He's going to that way. Another one. Come on, come on. Yeah, that one is coming from south. It's coming from south, that one. Come on, come on. I think he's the first pigeon last week. That time, 608. Yeah, he is 608. He's the first pigeon last week. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. First last week. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Look at that. See? How long is take to coming down? Come on, darling. Oh, good is not the first one. Last week he strapped very well, that pigeon. He's going straight in the trap. Best trap I ever had this season. Look at that. Today, keep going around. She's not going in the roof. I know, all that time for nothing. Why not going in the roof in the first place? Keep fly around, darling. Come on. Well done. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, darling. Come on in. Good girl. Come on. Come on. You're a little bit late today, huh? You first last week. You you need to push your head a little bit better because you're going in a drag this week, darling. She's going in a drag this week. Last week coming by herself. It's coming in the first. It's coming in the first same direction from last week, coming straight the same way. But strap much better last week, but it's hard racing last week. Today is easy racing really. It's nice quick racing today for change. Birds coming very well. Look at that. Where the birds behave. Good. I'm happy with that. I'm not sure how many I have. No. To come. 5, 6 to come. I lost the count now. Better I check. Yeah, 6 to come. Ah, it's a good Ross. It's a very good Ross. You know, asking for more than that. You know, after the bad Rossing, I have the week before. Well, not bad. It's just I still have all the birds whom apart one is the poor died, but the problem is birds going in a drag last week because the north wind is pushed the birds down in the country. That is the problem. The birds again coming up to the country back again against the wind. Is you lost a lot of time obviously. But today is different game. Today is coming bang in line. I'm not sure it's a good time, but probably. Problem is not far away from the best times today. Specifically the time we have a drop of 10 together. I can't think 15, but 5 is not mine. A surprise really. Drag all that 5 together with mine. But the birds is a very good shape. I finding my birds coming very wet last week. And I treat for respiratory and canker. I gave a respiratory and canker treatment last week for 2 days because I finding the birds have a little touch of respiratory and I'm not a Medicaid person, I don't like use antibiotics, but I don't have choice. I need to bring the birds back quickly and there you go, that is the result. The way it's coming today. Coming very well really. That's a matter you behind in the time, but coming very nice. But definitely the first 10 birds is not far away from the top ones really. I hope so everyone have a good returns. I need to call my friend soon. He's just fly. He's inside of me maybe I think what is 94 he said 94. Yeah, I think he's 7-8 miles inland. I need to call his see he's have some now, but he need to have some by now because if not it's a disaster really. A little bit worries about him. He sent 20 hens, 20 hens, 20 birds, 10 hens, 10 cocks first time today, and I surprised the time I have 20 and I have nothing. That's very strange, really. He definitely, his birds are going in a drag, definitely. We never know young birds. We need to keep on top of the young birds, specific the health. Young birds, the health is dropped so quickly, you know. When I fighting last week, my bird is not 100%. something is not right, and I going through the birds one by one, and I finding first thing I finding is respiratory, and just for precaution I not treat for cancer for I don't know how many months. Since coming the nest, never have cancer treatment. Never have cancer treatment since coming to the nest that birds. And I gave you as well together to the respiratory. I like make myself my mixes, the antibiotics. 2 grams that, 3 grams that, and I mix all together. You know, I have a little book what is tell me, uh, give me ideas the way I mix things. You know, it's a very old book. Gave me by one old flyers the time I fly my country. Because you have a doxycycline, amoxicillin, tilan, you have timoprine, all that substances. You need to be careful how much you put the time you put together. Because you put too much, you overdose the bloody pigeons. You know, you kill the liver, the birds, and kidneys, everything. You know. But that book is very clever. It tells you everything. Always I follow that book. I put 3 grams the one antibiotic, another 2 the another, depend what it said to do. And yeah, I just gave it 2 days, and the birds bring. I see the birds fly very well. Wednesday fly. It's not fly, it's rustling. And I know I have a good. I know I have a better rustling this week. I see the way the birds behave in the loft as well, completely different. You know, like you see there, the way the birds behave now in Viari. The cocks are going mad. That is another thing. Last week I have my birds separate. Fly around about. First weeks I fly all together. I win in both weeks. Last week I tried to change the young bird system around about. I'm not sure that is make a difference or not, but I back fly to my system. I start the beginning all together, and there you go. But you need doing something before the basket day. But that is a tip I tell you later, not yet. I'm doing something with the birds. I have the birds together from today, all the birds together, and Thursday I'm doing something to the birds. Okay, I done that the first racing, I done that the second racing, and it's working perfect. The birds coming very well. I not done last week because I try a roundabout, but I think a roundabout is my. I fly roundabout the last three years. Young birds, I not done too bad, but hard for me because I finish my shift 7 in the morning, and because I have birds roundabout, I have 2 sections. And is one section. I need. Hey, got another bird going there, coming from south. Yeah, it's going up to north. Yeah, like I said, I have hens and cocks separate. I need to fly the birds separate. I'm not going bed until after 10 in the morning. That's too late. If I fly all together, like no, easy for me. By 9 o'clock, I'm ready to bed. You know, because I need back to work again that day. I think I not fly around about anymore, young birds. I'm very pleased. Fly that new system. It's all together, but it's have a name. You need doing something. Thursday and Friday, you're doing something with the birds, okay? But that is for another video in the future. About motivations and all that thing. That's another topic. But I like fly the birds together, really. Save me a lot of time. Save me more than nearly 2 hours a day to sleep. If I doing the way I doing this week. A little bit knocked that checker there. But it's first time. First racing is ever this year. That pigeon I catching in the middle of the field. It's catching for peregrine falcon. He's push his skin, everything out from the neck. I gave about 20 stitches around the neck. And blood, the way he's bleeding, I think he never survived. And he's a gold ring pigeon. First rustling and not coming to bed, really. Stick lock maybe coming maybe 10 minutes. I think less than 10 minutes behind from the first ones. Not too bad for first time. And I definitely send you next week again. He's need going. You need to get fit for the big rustling, the big day coming soon. Keep that bird, but the bird is very well. Looking very well. Very pleased, really. Alright, guys. That is going a long video, no? I have not remember. I said 5 to come or 6. I'll just check again. And I done the video for today. Hope you enjoy, guys. Hope everyone have a good returns. Yeah, I have 6 to come. Hope have a good returns, good rustling, and hope so. The bloody 1. Oh, sorry, 5 now. Oh my lord. Ha! Nearly trapping my top that one. Come on, girl. 74. And see, 5 to come now. Not too bad. Alright, like I said, up so I maybe move away from the trap if coming another one. And that one nearly crushing me. That I like to see to trap, but I don't have that luck. Normally it's the last one just trap like that. Anyway, hope the young bird flew his lifts quickly and soon. For all my lads, my matches start fly everyone again. Back everything normal is be nice. Not get close for long. Hope everyone has enjoyed the video, and I try doing an update to the results probably tomorrow, because I don't know what happened now to the results, because I have a fed result, but I'm not sure as you have a James. Hey, look at that batch of pigeons going over there. About 20. Different rustling. Let's go up to north that one. Just coming here. Big batch, about 20 pigeons going up to north. Like I said, going there now, about 20. Straight up to north. Like I said, I think James said he's make just a club result just for the people he sent from our side, but I text you later on and see what he said. Alright? Alright, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good rustling, good returns. The ones who still rustling now. Hope everyone have a good day. And I catch up with maybe tomorrow for the results update. Hope you enjoyed the video, and catch up you later, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.